You need to register the task content provider in the Android manifest, similar to how you have to declare any activity. Registering the provider in the manifest allows it to be seen by the system, so that your app will be able to refer to it later on, and pass calls to it through a content resolver in your UI code. You may recall that a content resolver recognizes different content providers based on their unique content authority. The authority is defined in the manifest, and it's typically just the package name of the app that a provider belongs to. Once a content resolver knows this authority, it can then make direct calls to that provider. So let's register the task content provider in the Android manifest XML file. This way, our to-do list app will know how to find it. To register a provider, first create a provider tag within the main application tag. In this tag, define the name of the provider, which is the full package name and class. Then also define the authority attribute, and this is just going to be the package name of the app. The last attribute is the exported attribute, which can either be set to true or false. This attribute determines whether or not your content provider can be accessed by other applications. We're only building this content provider for use in this to-do list app, and there's no need to allow other apps to access it. So for now, exported will be set to false. And that's it. Now the to-do list app will be able to find this provider by its unique authority. In the next quiz, you'll be expected to complete the checklist of code tasks that correspond to to-dos like this in your starter code, so that you can set up the content provider yourself. You'll also find a link to the GitHub repository that contains the correct code for this step.